Hi, in this demo, I will show you our software solution for legal firm, which is named Mylegalsoft. This is the basic structure of Mylegalsoft. It can be divided into 4 main modules. First, client management. In this module, a lawyer can set precedents or checklists, and the system will actually trigger the reminder to remind the staff or lawyer in charge of the important due dates. This module will generate 2 status reports. First is the individual status report, and the other one is batch status report. Batch status report is useful when we act for the bank or we act for the developer. We also build in the config checker in case management. Second, document management. In this module, staff can, with one single click of button, prepare all this document. Okay, documents such as SMP, loan document, DOA, POA, all the forms, all the letter corresponding. Third module is the client's account. In this account, we are dealing with client's billing, client's payment, disbursement, whereby we create the payment voucher, and there's another account under client's account called trust account or stakeholder sum. At the end of this module, system will give us the client's ledger. This client's ledger can be used for annual auditing purpose. Lastly, we have the office account. Office account is dealing with income and expense. Okay, in Mylegalsoft, income is automatically captured from the invoice. So every month, account staff just need to key in the fixed expenses such as salary, EPF, SOCSO, rental, payment for utility, bonus, office expenses, and etc. So with income and expense, system will generate us 4 standard accounting reports, namely profit and loss, general ledger, balance sheet, and trial balance. To complete the account aspect in our system, we also build in the bank reconciliation and journal entry. Lately, we also incorporate check writer in the system. Okay, without further delay, I will show you all these 4 modules using an case example. So this is the main menu of Mylegalsoft. So upon entering, click the client management. In this demo database, it shows that we have 1,476 cases. Okay, so now before I proceed, I would like to show you how to retrieve a file from your database. When the file grows, the number of files grow bigger, so it should be an easy way for us to retrieve the files. In this demo, I will show you 2 different ways of retrieving a client file. One is through client name, the second one is through reference number. Of course, there are more such criteria built in the system. Say for example, we know that our client's name Liu Chi-Hua. So first way is we can double click the client name and started to key in Liu Chi-Hua. As and when we key in more character in the search column, the result will be more specific. Based on the result written, I can easily locate Liu Chi-Hua. To retrieve his file, I just need to double click and system will bring me to his file. Okay, let me refresh the database and to show you another way. Many of the time, staff actually familiar with the reference number more than the client's name. So in that case, what we do is we can actually search by reference number, if you could remember. Okay, after keying in the reference number, just press the search button. There you are, we are able to search for Liu Chi-Hua's files as well. Okay, in our software, the concept is actually using tab concept. Tab means that all the relevant information are organized in tab format and it is linked to the client. So as you can see here, this is all the party relevant to the client file. So we can see purchaser 2, we can see the vendor information here. Over here, all the activities happen to this particular file. Okay, these are the record. Of course, bill will be the bill generated for the client, receipt will be payment received from the client, disbursement will be disbursement for this particular file. So besides this, we have another account called trust account, like I told you just now. So this shows all the stakeholder sum payment and disbursement history. And also the document management will show us all the document we previously prepared for this particular file. So to retrieve for a document is made easy in that sense. Alright. Now to demo case management, I'll start off with a new case. Say we have another case under this project by you, Palm, and we have a new purchaser. What we do is we click the add button and the screen is empty for us to key in the new purchaser particulars. Okay, so just complete your reference number and the group I will select Bayu Palm SPA and say our client name Tan Kok Kian. Okay, and over here I will key in the subject matter and the property price. So with this, I can press update. So there you go, the new file is added. But of course, we have other information such as the purchaser address. So I can actually key in here. Okay, telephone number. Okay, some example of telephone number and fax number. Okay, and then I save. Okay. In this party manager also, we can key in all relevant party to the purchaser. Say we have purchaser 2. So what we do is we click the add button, click the select button and name the row as purchaser 2 and let's call the client Tan Mei Ling. And okay, at this point of time, let's just assuming that the purchaser 2 is staying in the same address as the purchaser 1. So in that case, we can actually click the find button to select the address rather than we re-key in. Okay, there you go, Tan Kok Kian. Select the address and the address column is filled. Okay. So maybe we also like to key in the vendor. Same way, the row vendor. And vendor say is the same vendor for this Bayu Palm, which is Setia Jaya. There you are. I have the Setia Jaya. Then I just select party and then I say save. Okay, so with this way, I can actually key in all the relevant party and their particulars into the system and it is automatically linked to the client file. Now, thus far I have shown you how to key in a file. Now, to move on to the case management. In our system, each single file is actually assigned to a lawyer and a staff in charge. Okay, then the case management will actually remind these two people. So what I do is I will assign a lawyer here and I will assign a staff here. Okay. Then I'll press this hand icon to select the category. In this case, I'll select convincing and we have a lot of subcategory under convincing which has different checklists. Okay. So for demo purpose, I will just select one of this. Okay, maybe it's this one, principal sale individual title. Okay. And these are the standard checklist of precedent that have set by the lawyer. So if you decide that all this is relevant, then just select all and then I can take out the last one which is non-relevant and then I just say save. Alright. Upon clicking the save button, what the system does is that from the file opening date, it will calculate the due date for us. Okay, calculate the due date, and behind the scene, system or actually trigger the reminder to auto remind IU if this activity, prepare SPA, build and conduct land search, is not done by the due date. In this case, 14th of March. Okay, so to demo this reminder, let me change the system date to 14. And assuming that IU is logging in. Okay, system will show the reminder in this sense, okay, as here that you can see, task overdue 1. So it is depending on that day how many tasks is overdue for IU, and here will shows the number. For IU to retrieve all the tasks overdue, she just need to click this button. Okay, there you are. Tan Kok Kiang, prepare sales and purchase agreement, due on 14th of March. Okay, through this way, system actually track all the important due dates and trigger the reminder to remind the staff. This is actually useful when a legal firm has got new staff joining, old staff leaving. Okay, so the handing over of tasks is made easy. Alright, like I said just now, we have two status report. One is the individual status report and the other one is the batch status report. So for individual status report, I'll show the my new client, Tan Kok Kiang, and over here I can actually print the status report. Okay, so it shows all the progress of the activity over here. Besides this individual status report, I'm going to show you another status report. This is the individual one, okay, only for this file. And we are going to show you the batch status report. In this case, I will show all the Bayou Palm SPA files, okay. So the batch status report is actually from here. So I'll filter for Bayou Palm SPA and just click the filter, and here actually shows two of them, and of course one of it will be the Tan Kok Kiang files. Okay, so this is how we show the status report. Alright. Okay, with this, I have complete the case management, and let's move on to the document management. For document management, I'll make use of another client file whereby we already key in all the particulars. Alright, so like all this we have been keying in, and there are some informations like property detail we also already key in. Now this demo, I actually want to show how to prepare an SPA and DMC. So the way is actually very simple. This is also a Bayou Palm SPA file, and the purchaser is called Li Wai Sing. Okay, so what we do is we click the document management and click the document management again. So we browse for a template that we previously set. Okay, Bayou Sarah, and SPA for two purchaser. So upon clicking the template, if I want to prepare the SPA for my client Li Wai Sing, what I need to do is I just need to press copy merge, and at the end of this process the SPA will be ready for Li Wai Sing. But before that, I just want to show you how does this template look like to enable the automation. Okay, so this is how it will be. So for a firm without an automated system, what staff did is that they will actually retrieve a previous SPA and then started to key in the new purchaser information. Okay, so for an automated way, we will just do it this way. Close it, copy, merge. Okay, what the system does is that it will open up the template and then retrieve the information of the selected purchaser and then pump into the document that we select. So Li Wai Sing IC, Joanne IC, the address, and etc. Okay, so we just need to browse through the highlighted column and then check. Normally we just check the alignment. The typing, it won't be any typing error or calculation error lah, because it is actually taken from a source that we already verified. Okay, and to prepare another document, it is also easy. Oh, before that, you see when I press here, we will actually save a copy of the link. So let's say a few days later, you would like to review back the SPA for Li Wai Sing, you just need to come here and double click and it will open up the document just now. Okay. So to prepare another document, if we have the EMC, okay, also the same way, show you the template first. Okay, this is how we do for the template, how we tell the system to fill up the template. Okay, and then to prepare, just copy image. Okay, so the information is filled. So this is an easy, fast way to prepare your document. Of course, you can use this to prepare all the forms and all the letters as well. Alright? So all document prepared, we automatically keep a link here for easy retrieval purpose. Next, I will show the client's account which start from the billing. Okay, so to do so, go back to the client just now. So this is a new entered client, and you can see here the client's account are all zero. No information created yet. So assuming that we are now supposed to prepare the bill for the client, just click the bill tab and click the new bill. Okay, by default, system allows us to prepare pro forma bill. Okay, get the bill number and then select whom you want to bill to and save the bill header. In our system, we have 3 ways to prepare the bill. In this demo, I will show you the first way, which is to select from the template. Okay, here it is, all the template. Alright. So say we just want to use this template, and please notice that over here, if the formula is not equal to assigned value, system will automatically calculate. Now the current value is 0 for S&P fee and 0 for GST. Okay, say for example, these are all the bill that we want. Yeah, by the way, this is a very good method for managing project file. Okay, just select all and then say update. Okay, there you are, our bill is ready. Okay, so now if you check on the SPA, this is the price for property of 1.5 million and the government service tax 663 for this bill. Okay, and upon preparing this bill, the client's account will be auto summarized as of here. Okay, this is the total bill for professional fee, disbursement, and the file total. If at this point of time we still need to edit the content of the bill, we can actually make use of this 4 button: add professional fee, add disbursement, edit the existing item, or delete the existing item. Assuming that everything is okay, we can click the print bill button to print the bill out. Okay, information will be extracted accordingly, and this is the professional fee, GST, and the disbursement, and this is the total bill. Okay, this bill can be printed, email, or fax to your client. Now that's how easy we prepare the bill. If we prepare the bill using the system as such, we have another additional benefit, which is to generate the monthly billing report or listing. So based on this monthly billing report, we can actually estimate or forecast our future month cash flow. Okay. So next, assuming that bill already given, our client come and make payment. Sometimes client will make full payment, sometimes client make part payment. Okay, no matter what the payment amount is, we will come to the payment tab to capture the payment receipt. Okay, just click the add button. If client pay you partial, just key in the amount. If client pay you full, you just need to click the balance, get balance. Okay, it will give you the last outstanding of that particular bill. Okay, for this demo, I'll just assume that client come and make full payment, and this is the description in the receipt. Okay, key in the check number if client pay by check, get the next number and select the bank account that we want to bank in the money. Okay, so in this case I select the public bank client account. Update, and then we are ready to print the receipt. Okay, this also eliminate the manual writing of the receipt. Receipt is printed in A4 size, free copy. Here is the cutting line. Okay. First copy, original copy, give to the client. Second copy, file in the client file. Third copy, accounts copy, file in the account receipt listing file. Okay. So upon capturing the receipt, another steps that we need to do by the accounts department is called allocation. After we have done the allocation, system will automatically calculate how much money we allocate to the professional fee and calculate 6% for us to pay the GST. Okay, so in this case, as I simulate that client pay me full, so I just need to knock off all and then say update. So upon doing this, later I'll show you how the government service tax form looks like. And before this, please remember that upon collecting the first payment, we must come to the bill, our previous bill just now. And as you can see here, the status is still under pro forma. Upon collecting the first payment, it is right to upgrade the bill to actual bill. Alright, so for me, I just need to press this confirmation button, say yes, and system will join back the invoice or the bill number, and the status is changed to bill. Alright, so now I'll show you the GST. Okay, so March, and today is 14, so we can see that 14, this is the total money collected for your professional fee, and 6% is this amount. Alright, so it will actually compile for all your collection depending on the day and the month. Then I'll move on to payment voucher. To prepare a payment voucher, staff do not need to write the payment voucher anymore, but staff still need to come to here and click the add disbursement button and decide what item that we want to disburse. Alright, get a voucher number and then just press update. So print the voucher out and bring the voucher for the lawyer to verify. After the lawyer verify, bring to the accounts department to claim the money. For the accounts department, after they verify the payment voucher, they just need to update the bank account. Okay, so say for example, disperse from the client's account, same, a reminder here. Okay, then that is the complete process of the disbursement. Alright, so activity is keying in as and when it happens, but the system will help us to compile all the double entry automatically. So at this point of time, if you remember, we have collected this amount, 12,218 ringgit from the client, and we have disbursed 65 ringgit. Alright, so now if I check through the client's ledger, it will give me exactly the same piece of information. And it will actually calculate the outstanding, the balance for us. Alright, so as you can see here, 12,218 ringgit in, and then 65 ringgit out, and this is the balance. Okay, so isn't this very useful, and it also saves our time. Yeah? If staff need to maintain this manually, then it will be taken more of their time to maintain the client's ledger. But what we did in the system is the client's ledger is automatically compiled based on the normal activity by the user, by the staff. When they do bill, they do receipt, or they do vouchers. Okay, as I said just now, we have another account called trust account. Trust account is where we keep the money of all this purpose. Okay, earnest deposit, balance 10% deposit, differential sum. Okay, money in for this purpose, we need to capture under trust account and disperse under the disbursement use here. Alright, so this will also update the client's ledger automatically. Okay, now let's revisit back here. We have covered 3 of the 4 modules, and then the last one is the office account. Like I said just now, the office account income is automatically captured. It's automatically captured from the bill, and every month staff just need to key in the expense. In this demo, I'll show you how to key in an expense, and then to show you, and after that I showed all the accounting report. Okay, so expenses is key in from an office account, and then we just say that this is Telecom Malaysia Berhad. Income or expense is expense, get a number, and for Telecom Malaysia Berhad, we are actually debiting telephone and fax expenses account. Say for example 200, add to the account and format the description. Okay, so with this I can actually press update. Upon entering the expenses, we can actually proceed to print voucher or print check. Okay, now this is the way we key in other expenses as well, such as payment for utility, rental, staff salary, EPF, SOSO, and etc. Alright, now show you the P&L. Okay, so for P&L, if you remember, this is the amount that we bill for our clients, and this is the expenses that we just now key in. So income minus the expense, this is the gross profit before tax. Alright, so we can actually print the P&L at any point of time, so information is within your fingertips, even before your accountant compile your accounts. Alright. So with this, I have covered all the modules in our system, of course with some of this detail. So thank you for your time in viewing our system, and hope you like our system, and bye.